Hi there, and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Prius Prime. So this is a 4-door, 4-passenger hatchback, and the color is called Titanium Glow. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid engine, and it is the most advanced Toyota hybrid ever built. With 3 different driving modes, it maximizes fuel efficiency and power, and it comes equipped with awesome safety features such as rear cross traffic alert and pedestrian detection. You'll find an easy-to-use navigation system and rear vision camera along with a comfortable and plush interior. You'll also find a heated steering wheel, hands-free calling and voice command, along with Bluetooth audio and smart key system. All of that and a spacious cargo space to bring everything you need along for the ride. Come on in and take a closer look at the 2018 Toyota Prius Prime. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.